So here I am once again doing a framing inspection for another customer, and when I got to this property, the installers for the insulation were hard at work trying to get this place insulated properly so that they can hang drywall. So this house had already passed its county framing inspection, and what I want to show you is right here. Let's zoom in here so you can see, getting a little bit closer. Now if you look carefully, right in this area right here, okay, let me put my little pencil thingy on here. In this area right here, if you notice, you can see there's a gap. Okay, now pay attention to this side over here where there is no gap. Okay, now this is a problem because if you don't close the gap between these two perpendicular members, okay, this one and this one, okay, if you don't close the gap so that this moves all the way over in that direction, okay, then when you install these nails here, okay, when you install them, then they either miss this framing member altogether, or they don't reach this framing member here because this is too far back. So that's a problem. And so if you look at, let me have you look at this diagram right here. This diagram shows you on the left side how the nails should penetrate both members at an angle and cross, as they go through. This shows you what should not be, what should not happen. And so when I look closer look up in here, when I look closer, in this gap right here, in there, okay, when I look in there, I saw this. That, and let's get rid of this. Okay, I'm kind of fussing around with this thing here. This is what I saw. You will notice right in here there is a nail. Okay, see this? This right here, that's the nail. This is the nail. That nail is supposed to go all the way through at an angle, all the way through to here. This one on this side is supposed to go all the way through like this. Okay, so not only is there a gap, these nails are too short. And so this is what our customers unfortunately are paying for. And so all of these hangers on the left side are installed this way. So it's hard to understand why builders today won't take the time to produce a quality product when they're asking people to pay upwards of $500,000 for a house. So buyers beware. If you're buying a new house, a third-party inspector could be useful. Land with Spex, home and commercial inspections. Talk to you another time.